This is the first study to measure the scale of homelessness in Singapore. A study like this has the potential to guide policy development and help us design and cite services in a more systematic manner. The very deliberate collaborative approach that we have taken to implement this study, I think also provides a model for public engagement through research. The key findings include that homelessness we found through this study was geographically widespread. This is the map. So this is the overall observation: more homeless people in larger, older and poorer public housing estates. This is a slightly complex area. We also discovered that they're not completely cut off from the community. Interestingly, some of them mentioned that they chose this location because they wanted to be near their family or friends, right? And in fact, 2/3 of them had spoken with their family in the past month. So homeless people are still members of their community. Where does that leave us? I think there is certainly scope to expand outreach services. In terms of public rental housing, all the evidence points to the need to remove the joint tenancy requirement. Finally, I think there needs to be more thoughtful dialogue about whether community should be defined based on property ownership and legal occupancy rights, or whether it should be about other forms of connectedness and identity.